Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a 2-door swing door glass door display coolers. Let me give the measurements first. For the unit's entire length, about like 41 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like 25.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the units, they are about like 77.5 inches tall. As we can see, the units at the front, they have LED banners on the top, swing doors, handlebars in the middle, and have lockers at the bottoms. The compressor, they are mounted at the bottoms, and they do have ETL sanitation stickers at the behind. They having the car sheets and the detailed information about it, and also the unit using the 110 plugs. And when we open the door, it's swing door, and the shaft close. They do have a lights on top right here, and have a circling fan on top of the units, and also having the power controls right here. They do having the knobs here. You can control the temperatures from the level 1 to level 7. And they also having shelvings. They have a 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings, adjustable heights too. So this inner side, let me give the dimensions of it. For these shelvings, they are about like 17.5 inches deep, about 37 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit is about like 50 inches tall for the entries. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.